I gotta go.
You leaving me?
I got another open house. I got a job to do.
I know, you're a busy man, Housebert. Thanks
right.
for coming.
No problem.
I'll see you soon.
How you doing? Al Iaquinta here. How you doing, Al Iaquinta Real Estate? Al Iaquinta Real Estate. How do I say this? What do I say the name twice? Can't. The house isn't here, bro. You know. Usually the house helps me do these things, man. Like 1260 Wantor Avenue in Wantor.
No.
Just you know what? This one we won't do with the whole thing. Wait till maybe, I don't know.